This softbox, I think, is for content creators out there who are on a budget and also want something that is a decent size and doesn't take up too much space. Let's get into it. In this box, guys, I have a softbox from Aputure. It is an Aputure Light Dome and it's 33.5 inches. Let's get into the unboxing, guys. So this is the Light Dome SE from Aputure, guys, and I'm just gonna get straight into it. So as you guys can see right here, it comes with a really nice case, guys, with different compartments, actually 4 compartments, guys. One compartment that has in the softbox, the other compartment has in the grid, this compartment has the Bones connector right here, and this also has the diffusion panel. So let me just get straight into it first. So first what I'm gonna do is I'll open it and I'll take out this is the grid that is going to be going on your front of your softbox. And with the grid, you know that this helps to prevent light spill from going all over to just directing it to one particular point. All right, so I'm just gonna put this to the side for now. And right here, we have the Bones mount connection. So this is the Bones mount connection, guys. As you can see here, let's put this to the side for now. And then we have the different modifiers for softening your lights. So let's just put this to the side. And now we just get into the actual connection for the softbox. The one thing I have to say with this, guys, is you have to literally manually set this up. All right, you have to set this up manually, guys. And it comes with 2 extra of these rods that I think is pretty good. I'm just gonna put this back in because I really don't need this right now. And then what I'll do is I'll just get this case off. This is pretty much that is inside the case itself. And like I mentioned before, this is the actual softbox. This is the grid. These are the diffusion, and this is your Bones mount connection. So in order for you to get this together, guys, is you have to manually put the rods in to these holes right here. All right, and you have this little tab right here. This just allows you to prevent this from turning once it's on the actual softbox itself. So I'm just going to actually just tighten it, make sure it's nice and tight, and that feels a lot more solid. You have these red dots here, and these indicate to the rods, but you don't necessarily, what I've found out for myself is that you don't necessarily have to follow them directly. I'll just show you what I mean by that. This is going to be going onto the front of the actual softbox, the diffusion. This is the inner diffusion for an extra layer of diffusion if you need that. And also this part here, I think, is just an extra diffusion because this one is a little bit thinner, and this one's a little bit thicker based on what I'm seeing right here. But I'm going to be using this one here, guys, so I won't be using this one. So let's just set it up right now and see what it actually looks like. All right, so first thing what we need to do, guys, is we need to put the rods inside the Bones mount right here. All right, so first, that's what we're gonna do first. So all I'm gonna do is, I'll just follow with the first rod that has the red dot. I'll just put it in there. And that is the first one. The next one is you literally just follow each rod that is in sequence. So if there's a rod that is next to this, all you do is just kind of put it in, and you just pretty much just go and follow along. All I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna speed the video along until I have everything inside. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like when you have it all set up. All right, So what I'll do now, you can see the back, oops, you can see the back section here, what it looks like, and you have these little Velcros, and all you do is just kind of snap it in like that. You attach, just like that. We have, this is what the inside of the actual softbox looks like, all right? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just show you guys how the inside connection with this inner diffusion right here. So you have these little things right here, and all you do is just kind of tape it onto that, and you just tape it onto this, and you tape it onto that, and you put it onto there. So this now will actually be another layer of diffusion, but not only that, I think it will help to kind of spread the lights a little bit more. But because of the type of light that I'm using, which is from Aputure, the Aputure 300C, I don't necessarily have to use this. But what I'll do is I will just leave it in just so that you guys can actually see what it looks like, and then I can remove it later on. And then the next one now is I'm just going to put the diffusion, let's take this out. So the next thing I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm just going to put the diffusion inside here so you guys can actually see what that looks like. So let me just put it in right now. All right, so now that the diffusion is in, that is what it actually looks like. All right, so that is put together nicely now. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna add the grid on here. So I'm gonna turn it so you guys can actually see what that looks like. And let's just get straight into it. Okay, so now that the grid is on, we are pretty much ready to go. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move from here and go to my desk over here so you guys can actually see what it actually looks like. Also, I'm gonna show you what I had before versus this now. All right, guys, so this is what I had before. You can see how big it is. And this is the new one. So this one and this one. So reason why I'm changing these out, guys, is I want a smaller footprint for my desk area right here, especially since I just upgraded to my to the Mac Studio. So that's one of the main reasons. I want to just keep a smaller footprint in this area right here. So what I'll do is I'll show you an example of what this looks like on the light stand, and then I'm going to put this on right now. All right, so this is what it actually looks like with this softbox. This is the brand new softbox right here, and this is always been there before. So what I'll actually do now, more than talk about it, I'll actually show you what this actually looks like on video with this camera over here. 1 second. And this is what it actually looks like, guys. And let me know what you guys think. So my main light is right here. I have my rim light over here, and usually I use two other light from Aputure, which is the PT4C. Let me just put those in so you guys can actually see what it looks like. So now that I've added this light over here, that one there, and then I added this one over here, guys, you can see now I have a nice little rim light going on right here. I'm not too sure if there's too many lights that is actually coming in through my window right here that might be affecting what you see here, but I don't think so. But let me know what you guys think. Quality seemed to be the same as the one before, because this one has been in pretty much all of my videos, my talking head videos from my desk here with my red and blue LED light in the background. That's actually what it looks like. But one thing I noticed that wasn't on is my lamp right there. So I'm just gonna turn that on. And that's good enough right there. So this is it, guys. So like I said before, guys, let me know what you guys think. And guys, if you did enjoy this video, smash that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more. And there might be another video over here that you guys might be interested in. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.